I mess up the timing, I'm dead. Timing! I'm dead!
Hey, you. What's your name?
Fushiguro.
You mean your last name is not Zenin? That makes me glad.